Alright, for the final video in this series, I want to recap what we have learned and suggest some further learning topics. In this course, we have learned the built-in data structures in JavaScript like array, object, set, and map. We have also learned custom data structures like stack, queue, circular queue, linked list with tail, doubly linked list, hash table, tree, binary search tree, and finally graph. I hope you now have a fundamental understanding of these data structures in JavaScript. If you're comfortable with what you've learned so far, there are a few more data structures and algorithms that you can focus on. With queues, you can focus on a variant which is the priority queue. With linked lists, you can focus on circular linked lists. With trees, you can focus on AVL trees, red-black trees, and tries. Finally, with graphs, learn about directed acyclic graphs which have a number of real-world applications. You can also learn a few graph algorithms like prims, Kruskal's, and Floyd's. Last but not the least, make sure to solve problems that utilize these data structures. Alright then, thank you for watching. Please do leave a like if you have enjoyed the series, and until next time, take care.